Hey yo, I been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been form. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. I'm just gonna jump straight into priming my face with this baby skin primer. I absolutely love this primer. I found it on Amazon. Not everything works great for my skin, especially because I have dry skin, but I find that this one works very well for me. I have other primer that I use sometimes, but I always come right back to this one because for some reason I could actually only wear this primer with no foundation and my skin will still be looking flawless. So I don't know, I'm just gonna stick with this one for now. I'm gonna add some finishing powder over my primer right before my foundation, and this is just a little technique that I came across the other day and I fell in love with it because it works so well. But you know, as time goes by, we do different things and like different things, so I don't know how long I'll be doing this for, but I absolutely like it. The foundation I'm using today is my True Match by L'Oreal, and I'll try my best to leave the shade down in the description box below along with everything else that I'm using because I'm not gonna remember off the top of my head everything that I'm using exactly. I'm using my brush to apply it onto my skin and spread it all over my face, but then I'm gonna use my wet beauty blender to actually push my foundation into my skin so it will look more flawless. So this beauty blender I'm using, I found it on Amazon. It was 5 of them in the pack for $10. I think that's a really good deal. So yeah, I went ahead and bought me 2 packs because I had to stock up on them. They had really good reviews, so I trusted it. Anyway, I'll definitely link it in the description box below for you guys so you could check that out. The concealer I'm using today is by Tarte. I've been using this concealer for as long as I can remember and I find it very good. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be switching it up anytime soon. I'll be using it for a while, I guess. I'm using it to conceal under my eyes, the tip of my nose bridge, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my cheeks, and my chin. To blend it out, I'll be using this brush. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but it works very well to blend my concealer. I believe I got it from BH Cosmetic, but I'm not really sure. That's where I get most of my brush, so I might be right. This contour stick I'm using is from Fenty Beauty and I'm going to be using it for my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. Now I'm using the back of that same damp beauty blender that I use for my foundation to blend it out. Now I'm using some setting powder to bake this concealer into my skin. I actually didn't set it. Sometimes I set it, sometimes I bake it, sometimes I do both. But today I'm only gonna be baking. And I'm applying it to the areas that I added concealer to. For my shadows today, I'm gonna be using this Morphe palette. I absolutely love this palette for all them pink, purple, and neutral colors it has in it. So I'm starting off with this kind of brownish color here, and I'm using this for my transition in color. And I'm kind of blending it in towards my contour on my nose and the outer part of my eyelid. And as I apply it, I blend it as much as I can because I don't want it to look too harsh on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna go in with this really nice pink one here. All these colors have their names, but they were on a plastic that was sitting on top of them, and so I didn't look at them before doing these. So I'm just gonna be pointing at them for you guys, so just bear with me. Look at how beautiful that pink is. Yes, I'm loving it. You know, looking at this made me want to do an eyeshadow tutorial using only pink. I'm just so in love with this pink right now. Now I'm gonna go in with this purple right here. I'm sorry, my camera went blurry focusing on my background when it was supposed to be focusing on the eyeshadow. But anyway, I'm gonna be using this purple on the outer corner of my eye, blending it towards the middle. Now I'm gonna be using this really light color right here. It looks beige and it's shimmery, so I'm gonna be using it right in the middle. This liner I'm using today is from NYX. I've been using this for a long time as well, and I find that it works very well. It goes on easily. So yeah, this is my handy dandy little liquid eyeliner. Now I'm just adding some lashes real quick. I'm sorry my hand was in the way of that, but I guess I could do a lash tutorial video if you guys want it. Just let me know. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dust off all the setting powder off my face. I'm gonna use this bronzer from Wet n Wild to add some color back into my skin, you know, make me look a little tan. And I'm gonna apply it on all the areas that I did my contour on earlier. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush to my face, and this one is called Blushing in Bali, and I got it from BH Cosmetic. Before applying my highlighter, I'm gonna spray on some of this facial spray. It definitely helps my highlighter to pop even more. I'm using this fan brush to apply to most of my face, and I'll use my finger to apply it onto my nose and a smaller brush to apply it under my brows and in the corner of my eyes. I'm adding some lip liner to my lip, and then I use a brush to smudge it a little bit. And this lip liner, I found it in my local beauty supply store. I guess it was for $1 or so. I'm now adding some lip gloss, and I'm actually adding a lot because I want my lip to look super glossy. And this is just some cheap lip gloss I have laying around. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to be adding this Make It Dewy finishing spray, and I found this on Amazon, and I'll link it in the description box below. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you like it. As for my hair, I posted the tutorial on it. It's very detailed, so I hope you guys go ahead and check it out. I will link it in the description box for you. I will also try my very best to list all the products I use to complete this look. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It's free, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. That's free also. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.